Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions to fix screen flickering on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. First, it is important to understand that if the screen flickering is due to a hardware issue, then software solutions from your computer will not be effective. Therefore, before proceeding with any software troubleshooting, please thoroughly check your HDMI cables and the display itself. If you have confirmed that the issue is not hardware related, then open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Launch the Device Manager application. Locate and expand the Display Adapters section. For each item listed under Display Adapters, right-click and select Update Driver. Repeat this for all display adapters. Next, expand the Monitors section and upgrade the drivers for your monitors as well. Once the driver updates are complete, search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. You will see a checkbox labeled Hide All Microsoft Services. Check this box. If any other services are currently checked, click on the Disable All button. Then, click Apply, followed by OK. Finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.